At DXP, we recognize that the energy transformation towards cleaner technology is already in motion, and we are uniquely qualified to support this evolution. For over a century, DXP has engineered and supplied equipment solutions for all industrial applications. Our team is committed to supporting communities and companies working towards their goals of net zero emissions. Over 190 locations in North America ensure that we have the right solution for your needs near you. Our expertise is best suited to support biofuel applications. One of our areas of expertise is biogas treatment. Biogas is sourced from decomposing biomass. We provide blowers used inside the anaerobic digester and in pushing biogas into the treatment process. DXP will select and supply the equipment for bulk removal of H2S, as well as H2S polishing. Methane capture, a critical step in production, is in trusted hands due to our experiences with membrane systems. DXP supplies unloading skids and systems for the raw material to be unloaded from train carts and tanker trucks at biodiesel plants. Our chemical injection systems supply the exact amount of chemicals required in the processing plant. DXP owns PumpWorks pumps used throughout the plant, and anytime liquids need to be transferred within the process. Liquid ring vacuum pumps are used in biodiesel refineries. DXP's pumps are used to separate water and glycerin in the vacuum distillation step. DXP currently supports bioethanol production plants in North America. DXP-supplied loft blowers are used to transport corn and grain feedstock into and from within the bioethanol plant. There are also over 100 pump applications in a typical bioethanol plant that DXP serves with our PumpWorks centrifugal pump line. DXP also distributes the leading brand of plate and frame heat exchangers to provide the best technical solution for heat transfer. Our technical experts select the proper liquid ring vacuum pump used during the distillation, rectification, and drying processes. Selecting and applying specialty equipment is in our DNA, like this non-contacting lobe rotary pump. Clean energy can be used to generate power on-site or off-site. Combined heat and power, or CHP, is used to generate power on-site. However, most biofuels are transported via tanker trucks or pipelines to be utilized down the line for transportation fuel or renewable power generation. For DXP, our clients have evolved since we started in 1908, and so have we. We continuously strive to be an integral part of the energy industry, now and in the future. Our team of technical experts works with customers of all sizes to provide comprehensive renewable energy solutions. With our industry knowledge and understanding of your application, DXP is the smart answer to your clean energy project needs.